In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a power-up in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user looking to enhance your boards, learning how to add power-ups can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your workflows. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First, start by navigating to the Trello website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be taken straight to the Trello homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Look for the Log In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page, and click on it. Now you'll see options for logging in. If Trello is linked to your Google account, go ahead and click on Google to proceed. This will redirect you to the Google login page, where you'll need to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with Trello. Once you've selected your account and entered any necessary credentials, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Once you're logged in, pick the board to which you'd like to add a power-up. Simply go to the Boards menu and select one from the list. With your board open, you'll want to look for the Power-Ups button. This button is usually marked with a distinctive rocket icon, making it easy to identify. Clicking on this button will open the Power-Ups menu. Here you'll find the Add Power-Ups option. Click on it and it will take you to the Power-Ups directory. This is where all available Power-Ups for Trello are listed. You can use the search bar at the top of the directory to find the specific Power-Up you're interested in. Just type in the name, press enter, and browse the search results. When you've found the Power-Up that suits your needs, click the Add button next to it. This initiates the process of adding the power-up to your board. Some power-ups might require additional setup, so be sure to follow any on-screen instructions to complete this step. These might include linking to external accounts or configuring settings within the power-up itself. Once you've completed any required setup steps, your power-up should now be active on your Trello board. You can access its features immediately and start integrating it into your workflow. That's it. You've successfully added a power-up to your Trello board, enhancing its functionality and making your tasks easier to manage. Remember, you can always return to the Power-Ups menu to explore additional options and find new ways to make Trello work even better for you. Happy organizing!